Welcome to a tour of room 7728 at Disney's Bay Lake Tower. This is a deluxe studio with a theme park view. Right as you enter, you'll notice there is a connecting door in case you have a large party and want to stay connected. Just to your left is the bathroom. Your amenities include a hairdryer. They do provide soap, body lotion, and there's a little bit of storage room down here. Of course, you've got shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and bath soap, complimentary. But of course, you need to see this rain shower head with the handheld option if you need it. And to our right, we have your closet, wooden hangers provided, and your safe, extra pillow and blanket, iron and ironing board, luggage holder. Just behind us, we have the kitchenette. You can see there is plenty of storage underneath the sink. There's 3 drawers here. Coffee cups and water glasses provided. More storage up here, more storage here, with a toaster if you need it. This is a slide out pantry, which we've already decided we need to call engineering and have them add some WD-40 or oil to that. But I just love that if you're staying long term and you need pantry space, you have plenty. Your mini fridge is here. And then to our left is your Keurig coffee maker with complimentary Joffrey's coffee as well as Twinings tea. Another drawer for storage, and your garbage and recycling's under there. They do provide a wine key and a can opener, which is a nice little addition. If you are going to wash some dishes on vacation, you can. Plenty of storage. All right, into the room. We have 6 nice sized drawers here for your clothes, nice big screen TV, a little chair, a pull-out stool. Over to the right, of course, nice little sitting area, comfortably seats 2 adults. This ottoman, the tops come off, so there's full storage right there. And then of course the Murphy drop-down bed, which is so simple, and I will add that opening and closing to the end of this video. And then of course the bed itself. One of the things I love about it was when I discovered these little reading lights. You don't even notice them. They look like part of accents until you need them. And as we go outside to check out the view, you can see we have 2 chairs and a table to sit and relax. And we've already seen the monorails come by a few times. We've heard the whistle blow on the train from the Magic Kingdom. That's how close we are. And the view over to our left, you can see a little bit of the pool. And of course the walkway to the Contemporary Hotel. As we scan, nice easy view of Disney's Grand Floridian. This is really a great view. And of course, there's the castle we all know and love at the Magic Kingdom. Oh, there comes a monorail. And of course, Space Mountain. So there you have it. That is the view in the room 7728 at Disney's Contemporary. Let's see if I can put this back together with one hand, just to prove how easy it is. No problem whatsoever. And the ottoman is on wheels. I'll put the lids back on here. And it just rolls right over. Ta-da! Could not be easier. Very impressed with Disney Imagineering in that regard. Well done.